Hello, I'm in a 2016 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So first you open the hood, and then while the vehicle's turned off, you'll find your dipstick here, which will pull all the way out. And then wipe it clean with a good rag or paper towel, and then stick it all the way back in, and then pull it right out again. And then from here, we'll check these notches towards the end. There's like a dot on the left, that's your full mark, and the dot on the right is your low. So you want it pretty close, if not on the dot on the left. If it's to the right, for some reason, you probably want to add some oil. So stick that in. Especially these motors get the higher mileage. They'll burn through oil more often usually. But to add oil, this would be the cap we add your oil to. Double check you're using the proper type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But to add, you'll just unscrew this, and either with the funnel or straight from your quart jug, just fill as needed. Try not to overfill as well if you can help it. But screw this on nice and tight when you're done. And then start the motor for like 5 seconds or so. Circulate the new oil, and then turn the vehicle off. And at that point, redo the same process you did in the beginning with this dipstick to see if we're at the full mark or not. And then all this said, don't do any of this in replacement of regular oil changes, which is typically dependent on type of motor, mileage on motor, type of oil, things like that. Range between roughly 3,000 to 8,000 miles or so. And to do those, typically putting the vehicle on a lift, and then go underneath where the oil pan is, pull the old oil plug, replace any oil filters as needed, screw that plug back in nice and tight. Then we'll go back in the top here, add your new oil for whatever amount is recommended for oil changes for your motor type. Screw this on nice and tight. Then start the vehicle, run the engine for like 5 seconds or so again to circulate the new oil, turn it off. And then finally repeat the same process from the beginning of checking this dipstick to see if you're low or not. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.